kind of tough to read sometimes when we're going full speed. Hi, Lauren. Say hi, Moose. Good boy, Moose. Let's go down the hill. Here we go, full speed ahead. We're getting some exercise. Hey guys, subscribe to the channel because tomorrow we're supposed to get like a foot of snow, so it's going to be fresh powder. Here we go, Moose. Pull, pull, pull. Good boy. Service is weird. We're back. In and out with service right here. Come on, Moose. Go, let's go up the hill. Come on, across the grass. Come on, buddy. Come on, Moose. We gotta get across the grass first. Good boy. Not ideal for skis. This is gonna be covered though tomorrow. Lots of fresh snow on the way. Come on, Moose, up the hill. Good boy. I'm going up that way. You ready? I'm gonna try to read the comments, but it's kind of tough when we get going fast. This is where Raven had to stop and sniff every time. What's under there, Moose? What is it, buddy? Something good? Like a family of mice buried under there he wants to get to. You gonna dig? You gonna dig? How about we get back on the trail, Moose? Let's go. Come on. Good boy. Let's go. Let's go. Up the hill we go. Come on, Moose. There you go. Good boy. Pull, pull, pull. Got my skis on. We're gonna rip down this hill. Let's go, Moose. Come on, we gotta stay focused. We're trying to work out here. All right, we climbed our hill. We're up top. The house is way down there. We're gonna see how fast we can go. Ready, Moose? Let's go! Good boy. Back around we go. Let's go, let's go. Good boy. All right, let's go down below.